Hello, children. I hope you all are safe and secure at your home. Let us start our day with today's thought. Bravery is not the lack of fear, but the ability to move forward in spite of fear. Bravery is not the lack of fear. Children, we usually feel that brave people they do not fear, but we all have fear of height, water, fire, accident. But a brave person is one who faces the difficult situation with courage. So, bravery is not the lack of fear, but it is the ability to overcome the fear and move ahead. So, children, I hope you will all develop the ability to overcome the fear and move ahead. Children, today we will start a new chapter. Unit 2, topic is chapter 15, Young Brave Hearts. Children, do you know about National Bravery Awards? National Bravery Awards are a set of awards given by the Government of India and the Indian Council for Child Welfare. These awards are given for the extraordinary act of bravery against all odds to the adventurous children. The award was to recognize and honor the children who have outstandingly performed outstanding deeds of bravery and selfless sacrifice. So, children, in this chapter, we are going to learn about two children, Mahika Gupta and Shubham Chaudhary, who received National Bravery Award for their act of bravery. The, the Prime Minister presented the National 2013 National Bravery Awards to 25 children on Friday, 24th January 2014, 2 days before Republic Day. Among these 25 children, 9 are girls, and the Bharat Award was conferred upon 8.5-year old Mahika Gupta from Delhi. So, the Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh of India presented the 2013 National Bravery Award to 25 children. These awards were given on 24th January 2014, that is 2 days before Republic Day. So, children, do you know when do we celebrate our Republic Day? Yes, correct. It is on 26th January. So, among 25 children, 9 are girls, and the Bharat Award was confirmed. Confirmed means to give somebody an award. So, the Bharat Award was given to Mahika Gupta from Delhi. She was just 8.5 years old. So, now in this chapter, we will see what act of bravery she has done. So, she received this Bharat Ratna Award. Bharat Award. On June 16, 2013, Mahika Gupta was in Kedarnath with her family. Suddenly, flash flood struck. The area was filled with muddy flood water. Mahika could not see her parents or relatives, but heard her 4 years old brother crying. Mahika did not know how to swim. She was hit with stones carried by water, but bravely she waded out till she found her brother and dragged him to safety. There, she held on tightly to her brother for hours. When she saw a light, she waved for help. After that, they were both rescued. With her determination and presence of mind, she saved her own life and that of her brother. So, it was the month of June, June 16, 2013. A little girl named Mahika Gupta. So, she was along with her family reached Kedarnath Valley of Uttarakhand. Suddenly, muddy water rushed inside temple. Can you see, children? So what happened? Suddenly the flood struck. Flood means baad. So what happened? So the muddy water rushed inside the temple and the whole area was filled with muddy flood water, and that water separated all the family members from one another. So Mahika could not see her parents and relatives as the water has separated them. She was not able to find her parents and relatives. But she heard cry of her 4 years younger brother. She did not know how to swim. Now in this, she was just 8.5-year girl. She did not know how to swim. So she felt very hard, but she did not met her parents, but she heard the cry of her brother. She did not know how to swim. She felt the gushing flood water entering her nose and mouth, but she pushed herself with all her might towards her brother, but she did not give up. She moved ahead. It was very tough time for her, as she was hit by the floating stone continuously carried by water. But bravely she waded out. Waded means to walk with an efforts in water or mud. Children, you know it is very difficult to walk in water or in mud. So it was very difficult for her to move ahead. But she did not give up. At last, she succeeded to catch her brother. So she found her brother and she caught her. She dragged him to safe place. These there there she was holding tightly to her brother for many years. So she managed to took her brother to the safe place, and there she was holding him tightly for many hours. On seeing light, she started waving her hand for help. When she saw the light, she waved her hand for help. A person came towards to rescue them. Rescue means to save them from the difficult situation. He dragged both the children to safety. So, Mahika, with all her determination. Determination means the quality that makes you continue to do something even it is difficult. It was very difficult for Mahika to find her brother because she don't know swimming, and the whole area was filled with the muddy water. But with her determination, means with her quality, with her that makes him continue to find her brother, and presence of mind means the ability to react quickly in difficult situation. So with her determination and presence of mind, she saved her life and that of her brother. So children, you have seen how with her presence of mind and determination she has saved her life and her that of his brother. Now here two thoughts are given. Bravery is in doing the right thing even when one is afraid. So here Mahika shows her bravery even when she was afraid. We become just by performing just actions. We become brave by performing brave actions. So we can become brave by performing the brave actions only. So these are the two thoughts. Now let's see the meaning. Conferred means to give somebody an award. Wade means to walk with an efforts in water or mud. Number 3, determination. Determination means the quality that makes you continue to do something even if it is difficult. Number 4, presence of mind means the ability to react quickly and stay calm in the difficult situation. So these are the meanings of the difficult words. Now it's time for your homework. Your homework is to read page number 32 of your English textbook and write the meanings in your English copy. Children, here we have finished the first part. In the next period, we will see the second part. Till then, thank you and complete your work and have a nice day.